Phrasal verb with give. Give away. Give away. To give something to someone else for free or as a gift. She gave away all her old clothes to charity. Give up. Give up. To stop doing or trying something. After numerous attempts, he decided to give up playing the guitar. Give in. Give in. To yield or surrender to someone or something. Despite her resistance, he eventually convinced her to give in. Give off. Give off. To emit or release something, usually a smell, odor, or gas. The flowers give off a pleasant fragrance. Give back. Give back. To return something to its owner. Please give back the book you borrowed from me. Give in to. Give in to. To succumb to or give in to a temptation or desire. He couldn't resist the temptation and gave in to eating the cake. Give out. Give out. To distribute or hand out something. The teacher gave out the test papers to the students. Give in. Give in. To submit or comply with a request or demand. After much negotiation, they finally gave in to their demands. Give up on. Give up on. To stop believing in or supporting someone or something. She refused to give up on her dreams of becoming a professional musician. Give way. Give way. To yield or make space for someone or something. The car in front gave way, allowing me to merge into the lane. Give off. Give off. To produce or emit a particular quality or vibe. The painting gives off a sense of tranquility. Give over. Give over. To dedicate or allocate a certain amount of time or attention to something. He gave over his entire weekend to finishing the project. Give out. Give out. To distribute or provide to a large number of people. The organization gave out food packages to those in need. Give in. Give in. To admit defeat or accept that one cannot win or succeed. After hours of arguing, he finally gave in and agreed to their proposal. Give up. Give up. To abandon or quit a habit, addiction, or goal. He decided to give up smoking for the sake of his health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.